girls, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today we have part 2 to our unboxing. Just a few things that we picked up, seeing as it's the last or the final week or so. So yeah, we just got a few bits of bobs.
It's not the final week, it's just the final,
home stretch until the end. But yes. Oh yeah, and comment down below if you guys are feeling the hair.
Yeah, sure, nobody cares. Just get on with it.
Okay. Alrighty. First of the box that we have for you guys. Okay, I can show you this one because it has like THG on it. So this one, a pretty big one. So we'll see what we have inside for you guys. This is so much easier than scissors. Here's the inside. I don't know if I can show you guys because it's actually quite big. Dun, dun, dun. Also a little bit like off-white.
These I bought, but I wasn't sure if
these look vintage.
Yeah.
They look like
yeah.
Yes.
When I saw them, I saw it as something that you have with you for a long time.
Right, yeah.
That's I didn't buy it because it was nice. I thought it was leather.
Last the years. Oh, it's real.
So that was the main.
I think it's the gold detailing for me because that's what makes it look, and the color. It looks very vintage. I really like it. Size 6. These are in.
They look small, pal.
Oh, your feet will be fine in these, 100%.
That's in the length.
Oh, you don't think it's long?
Not even the width.
Even so.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see how it looks, but yeah, just square toe, a little bit of a heel, square heel to it, and yeah, it looks really
How much
nice.
was it originally? You showed the tag already?
Yes, they were $55.99.
I think I picked it up for £12 or £9.
Oh wow,
something very
inexpensive. That's so good. They did put cushioning, which is good to help support the foot, but I think all in all, I just see this lasting a very long time.
Lisa, do you know that the shoes I returned, I found them again? Remember we bought one for some shoes, the colorful ones that you were not sure about initially. It was $19.99. I found them again for $7.99 a piece.
$7.99. Zara? They're bringing it. They're giving me life. But yeah, those shoes, I just see them, even if you wear them with jeans and whatnot, it will just look so nice. Like
in my language, they call it, you look like a rabba. A rabba.
Meaning?
You're a lady.
Aww.
Classic.
Yes. Yeah, so those ones, I think they're just a good keeper for time to come. Time to come. Anyway, moving on to the next one in this box. Okay. Yeah, I can see the ones you're talking about actually there anyway, but I'll show them last. Next ones I'm gonna show you guys. So we got these heels in almost like an off-white ivory sort of color. Now they have this taupe nudie grey, which looks really nice. They're patent. The heel height is a little bit, up there, but Zara have a way of making them somewhat comfortable, even though they look high.
I think they are not very high, Anisha.
Oh really?
I think they are 3.7, 3.8.
This one here is 3.7.
Let me see. Yeah, it's just the same as the white ones.
Yeah.
You remember?
I think these are longer. I will give this like a 4. Yeah, 4 or 5. Well, you did say 3.
4, it will be very uncomfortable. The fact that you were able to walk in it effortlessly, it tells me that's right.
Alrighty. I'll clarify that for you guys, but I do think they are higher than what they're saying. I'll show you guys the tag as well, so you can see. Originally $25.99. How much did you get these ones for?
I think it was a 9.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what I said about these ones before when we opened them was the point is elongated, kind of like the Balenciaga. The Balenciaga knife boots.
What? The Balenciaga?
Oh English. It's not the first language, kids. So yeah, size 6. We've got these in, and that's what makes them look a little bit different to normal like court shoes or normal heels. Just that elongated toe. Just yeah, it makes everything a little bit more tall, slender. Looks really nice.
I think I like the toe, the color.
The color, same.
Different. Yeah.
Very, very nice. I think on your skin tone especially. Ooh.
But this one, the last time we tried it, it wasn't working.
It wasn't working for your feet. But we'll see. Anyway. Yes.
One is old.
What give me? And see. Yeah. Next we have. So you guys are seeing this again. I don't know if this is the second or third time, but
no, this is the second time.
Second time. So this shoe just keeps going down.
Oh, it might be because when we did the Zara and strappy heels.
Okay, yeah. So this will be the third.
Well. Yeah.
But yeah, they just keep going down. Really, Mommy said $7.99. I can't believe it for these shoes. These are just nice, very good summer wedding shoes to own. And so to get them for such a price, I think is very good. We also have them in like peachy, a pastel peachy, marigoldy.
But I think I got one in a 6 and one in a 7. I'm not sure.
So the orange is in the 7, and the lavender, the lilac is in the 6. But yeah, I just feel like for the price we got them for, that's McDonald's, mate.
And also because of the way my foot is, it fits all both sizes, if that makes sense. It's just that my toes are longer.
Longer, so. Yeah. So let's tag for one. Please do not mind my nails. And then this is the tag for the other. But yeah, they're very, very comfortable. And then the height isn't too ridiculous. So you're kind of alright, to be honest. Yes, just really digging these. You just strap them up your foot, and Bob's your uncle, Joe's your dad. Right.
Bob's your uncle, and who's your dad?
Joe. You don't know Joe.
Oh wow, that's a new one. I've not heard that one.
Yeah. There you are. So all right, moving on to the next box. This one doesn't even have a dress. It just has like some cover. Next box. Yeah. Gotta be now ready. Alright. So this box, this one actually came already a little bit open.
That Everton is in there.
Everton. Alrighty, so another quick repeat. So we actually ended up returning the pink that we got of these, and now we've got them back for how much? Oh, you don't remember?
I think initially, how much did we buy it for? It was originally 49 or 59.
No, 50, like, yeah, 55, yeah, or something like that.
I think I got it for 19.
Yes, so considerably less. That's what happens sometimes. Sometimes when it goes down a little bit more, it's just that, okay, we can get it for a better price. But these are size 7.
Even I saw the greens, I think yesterday, but I was in a size 5 and it was £12.
Ooh. Yeah. Fancy that. I'll show you guys the tag as well. But yeah, these heels, obviously you've seen them before, very, very comfortable. This one, not so much for me because my toes aren't that long, so they get lost in the band, to be honest. So I think Mummy would look very good in this, and the color would suit her as well. So it's almost like a salmon pink for anybody who, if it doesn't translate well on camera. But yes, I think this is more Mummy's area of expertise.
But my green one, I think I paid 39 because that one sold out quickly.
Right.
Yeah, my green one paid 39 and this was 19, so.
Yeah. So there you guys have it. I'm not going to talk too much about that one because you've seen them.
But it's because the Kelly green thing was so popular this
year. So to be honest, I don't know if it would have gone down much more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then they appeared in a 5, like I was saying yesterday.
Oh yeah, you said. So actually it did.
Even if I see it in a 7, I'll probably pick it up. I don't know if my return thing
would still be valid. We'll have a look. That's what it is. Next one. I think this one also you're going to see in another unboxing. Are these tan sort of Wallabees. Guys, secondary school days. Like boys and girls, this is what they used to bang for.
Do you know why I got it? Again.
Why?
I wanted to customize it into like
another colour.
Electric royal blue.
Ever since we started customizing, I'm here for it because we can get exact colours and multiple colours. Like, oof. Oh, she wants to change it to blue.
Yeah.
That looks so nice. You said electric blue.
A royal, between a royal and electric. It's not cobalt. It's almost like a cobalt, but like a darker cobalt. Cobalt blue.
I'm hearing this. I'm here for it. So yes, just you can feel durable, everything like that. So guys, even mom and dad school shoes, so Zara, they will do it for you guys.
And guess what? Now it's $12.99.
See, so expensive. I heard Clarks are doing their shoes for £70. I can't believe it. I was talking to a woman at work and she was advising me on shoes and she was like, Clarks, yeah, they were £70, but I said that, rah, Clarks. So guys, Zara is also a good alternative because the durability beyond, and they have genuine leather shoes as well. Something like this, real leather, so it's like $12.99 for something like this. It just, I think it's a bargain. So yeah, you can get it. Yeah,
it looks small from here. Are they 6, proper 6?
Right side, they've got to be because how am I supposed to get inside? What do you want me to do?
Have you looked at the tag?
Yeah, it's a 6.
Oh, okay.
So there you guys have it. So yeah, I'm excited to wear these as well. I think all of these sort of heavy duty shoes are what I'm here for, do you know what I mean? So that's right up the alley.
You shall throw that to me. I have a funny feeling that they're not.
Like a proper size 6.
They look very small.
They do look small. Like even as you're holding them, they do look small. But that could be an illusion. Are you gonna try them on?
Yeah.
Let's see.
They fit and they don't. You understand what I mean?
What is it like? It just
it's
makes
very
it
tight.
Right.
So I'm guessing it's probably a 5. It's a mistake.
Maybe it can be broken into. Or
you because your foot is shorter, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, that's not good.
Yeah. Maybe that just means the coloured pair would have to be, because that'll be the less worn one, right?
Yeah.
So would have to be this one. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm saying. Customization has been one of those things we've gotten into, because now we get the colours that we want in the shoes that we want.
I think it's a 5.
And they've labelled it incorrectly.
I think it's a 5. It is Zara. I think it's a 5.
Yeah.
But don't they have like a quality control where people check if the...
I'm sure, but there's always that 99.9.
Oh,
do you know what I mean?
goodness.
And you are the 0.01%. Anyway, that's the last one we have, right? For this video. So hopefully, yeah, you guys enjoyed the video, like the things that you saw. Like we said, the sale is coming towards the end. Like, you know, you can feel it coming to an end. So if you guys want anything, now's the time to go ahead and have a look. Like I said, depending. Yeah, and that's really about it. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one if it fits.
Feel free and have fun styling.
Bye guys.
Okay, it's fine. Maybe you can add it to the next one.
The black. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye.